Now यहाँ से धक्का मारो. And we are stuck in the pass. Let me go and help. Okay, wait, no, just push. Slow pushing. Slow. Whoa. Careful. Slow. 3, 2, 1. Go on, Shambhu. Come on.
What an adventure.
Okay. Go.
Yes.
Finally. We arrived.
Here. Oh, it's there. Okay.
The mighty Khardungla by walk. We got a lift finally with these people, and look at this. Wow, check it out. I'll click one picture of this beautiful valley. And that's our car, our lift. So that's it. Now ड्राइवर साहब फ्रेश होने गए. उन्होंने मुझे बोला कि मेरे को भी अगर होना है. सोफिया को भी पूछा, लेकिन हम लोग को होना नहीं है. एंड वी आर सेट. अच्छा है. वेरी गुड.
En boerenjongen, ja. Anders betalen de kemen wat man. Ayo mana. De jini khamba dan de weste kushi me de lip pap lang mana kuri ke na le.
Me da ya. Kushi tama ni sa andu de ro to the game da.
Stuck in jam.
Lip de kushi me ya. Ni se kon pa ka sa.
When it's snowing, I'll try to show you if it's visible. On camera, but it's too cold. You can't really see on the camera. भाई साहब जो स्नो पड़ रही है ना, वो स्नो ही पड़ रही है. Just beautiful. Everything is looking so beautiful. Look at this. This place is known as North Kulu. It's so cold. It's so cold. Wow. Wonderful. We are stuck in the pass. Let me go and help. stuck in the, look at the, oh there, thing almost up. ये आइस को ऐसे इधर डालना पड़ता है?
नहीं वो
अच्छा ब्रेक कर रहे हैं ना?
मिट्टी डाल रहे हैं।
अच्छा मिट्टी डाल, मैं वही बोला आइस क्यों डाल रहे हैं? वो पूरा ये देखो जम चुका है यहाँ पे, एंड दिस मेक्स स्लिपरी. अभी हमारी गाड़ी भी स्टक हो गई थी, एंड माय शूज इज आल्सो स्लिपरी. सो केयरफुल भाई, बहुत ज़्यादा रिस्क टाइप है. देखो ओह, टू मच ऑफ स्लिपरी इज स्लिपिंग हैपनिंग. भाई साहब धीरे धीरे चलो, हौले हौले चलो. क्या एवरीवन इज स्लीपिंग. वी पुश कार ऊपर ले जाते, पहले धक्का मार के ले जाते हैं कार को. सो वी हैव टू पुश द कार प्रॉब्ली. दिस इज आवर कार. ये देखो ये सीन है कुछ. पुश सिटिंग, नो पुश. ओके हाँ, ही इज सेइंग टू सिट. धक्का नहीं मारना. ओके लेट्स सी. ओके लेट्स होप, fingers crossed. We'll do it. We'll do it. We'll do it. Do it. We'll do it. We'll do it.
Yeah. यहाँ धक्का तो समझ, यहाँ धक्का मारो.
हम लोग वहीं से धक्का मारने को बोल रहे थे. आपने बेटा आती ना, यहाँ से धक्का मारो. ओके टाइम टू पुश. Whoa, slippery. Should I get a stone? Wait. Okay, wait. No. Just push. Slow pushing. Slow. Whoa. Careful. Slow. Go. Push. Go. Move. Yeah. Slowly, very slowly, yeah. Nice. Going. Careful. Whoa. There's no grip. Push. Go.
Okay.
Wait, I'll get a stone. At least there's no stone. Wait. Okay.
1 minute.
Yeah. Whoa. Stuck. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Go on, Shambho. Come on. नहीं पीछे नहीं आएगा, जाएगा आगे जाएगा. नहीं पीछे बहुत वो है. पुश होने दो आगे. यहीं रोको, मैं स्टोन लेके आता हूँ. नहीं तो रोको. ब्रेक. I get a stone. Wait. There's a stone. मैं स्टोन लेके आता हूँ. एक मिनट. Just hold this. मिला वेट.
What an adventure.
Okay. Go. Push. Go.
Yes.
Okay, very good. Come on. Move. Go. 3. Go. Wait. आगे वाला पहिया घूम रहा है. Hold. So we have decided to walk, leaving the car and leaving them. And
Okay.
thank you so much. So we have to walk in. We'll slowly walk. So we reach Khardungla. क्योंकि Khardungla यहाँ से 1.7 किलोमीटर है केवल. तो हमें you want to walk from that side. हमें ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा आधे घंटे लगेंगे. So better है we walk in this thing and slowly move forward. This is becoming adventurous. More and more. You know, that lady was saying that other guy was ready to drop us.
Was he?
Yep.
Oh, but
He was saying.
he would charge us.
Ah, that I don't know.
He would charge us.
Yeah, for sure. So anyways, we are walking.
As soon as we get to the pass, then we
Yeah, I
get a
think that will be
lift
better.
down.
So यहाँ से 1.5 किलोमीटर से करीबन कुछ दूर तक अपन. Hey buddy. Thanks. So yeah, walking in snow, the thing which I never done it. और स्लिप हो रहे बहुत खतरनाक तरीके से. तो ना ये फ्रेश वॉक है, फ्रेश है. इस पे नहीं वॉक करने का, फ्रेश स्नो पे वॉक करने का. बाकी देखते हैं क्या होता है. पूरा यहाँ पे जैम लगा हुआ है. ये बन गया हमारा एडवेंचर. समझ रहे हो ना.
No, it's in the little pocket. I remember, yeah, when I put the apricots. Enjoying?
See, this is called adventure. This is real adventure what we are having. You take the snow and you can throw in the camera.
Oh.
Just have fun. And get slippery. Then throw it up. And enjoy. You know. I want to go to a spot. Finally! We arrived!
Woohoo! Here. Oh, it's there. Okay.
The mighty Khardungla. My walk.
In the snow.
Walk though. It's right there. Top of the world.
Wow.
Mighty Khardungla.
Wow. Yeah.
Cheers.
मेरा जो बाइकिंग ग्रुप है 19 से सब मेरे को दादा ही बोलते हैं.
Dada. So he's 50-year-old and he's riding from Calcutta and came here. Sir, say something to my subscriber so they get inspiration.
Age is just a number. If you want to do anything, you can achieve it. But you should think it from your heart and your mind should be strong. That's all.
It's only Mama, it's okay.
Is she okay?
Because it's cold, no?
क्या हुआ?
She fell?
Yeah.
Lotion, you have lotion?
Probably.
Lotion ले लो.
You would want to wrap. You have a wrap like a warm. We're supposed to be at Leh by this time, no?
Where are you from?
I'm from Lucknow, but I live in Mumbai.
देखो जो चढ़ता है उतरना तो दोनों तरफ ही है.
Yeah.